of my reply, it says by way of a Gazette notice dated 20th August 2024 and published on 21st August 2024.
The publication date is not at issue.
Yes.
Does the clerk, because I want us to be on the same page,
Yes.
does the clerk, your deponent, in that first affidavit where he addresses that issue quite at length, does he give the explanation you're giving me?
Your Lordship, the explanation has been given, which is from paragraph 46.
Yes, just read it.
That in response to paragraph 29 of the petition, I wish to state that at the time the House was scheduled to adjourn, the Speaker of the Senate had put the question on the charges against the governor, and division was in process.
Just a moment. When I read those paragraphs, that paragraph 46 onwards, my understanding was the clerk was trying to explain why the vote continued into 21st, but was not explaining why his letter and the Gazette notice were dated 20th. That is my understanding of those paragraphs. So is there anywhere where, because this is a question of fact, where a deponent, it's the same deponent for both affidavits, says we dated it 20th, not because the decision had been made on 20th, but because of this is how we do things. Is that there?
No, Your Lordship, I'm not seeing any explanation of that.
My Lord, if I may.
Yes.